Look at this T-Bird.
Well, it was my dad's car. He bought it in 1964, and he halfway restored it back then. And we drove it as a family when I was 12 years old. And so then I inherited it, and my dad passed away, and I rebuilt it.
How long ago was
I
that?
finished it in 2000.
And tell us your name, sir.
Say again?
Tell us your name.
Dave Perry.
And Mr. Perry,
Right.
you have owned it. It's been a family car since what year?
1964.
I'm loving your 2 Corinthians 3:17. What a blessing. All right.
Yeah, that's the story. We go to Old Town several
And
times.
Mike T is the creator of the weekly
Yes, he
Friday
is.
and Saturday night car cruise.
Yep.
And I believe you were going during those times
Yeah.
when we were 400 cars a week,
Yeah. For sure.
1972 and older.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
The good old days.
They were the good old days. A lot of things have changed since then.
Yes, sir. All right. Well, thanks
Okay.
for continuing to support Mike
Alrighty.
T. And make sure that you subscribe on YouTube, Cruising with Mike T.
Okay, very good.